What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. So this video is going to be I'm not going to do any cleaning. I'm just going to talk about my new toy. My new toy, not the multi-wash, because everybody knows I use the multi-wash. It's not my religion or anything, you know. It's not my stuck to it for the rest of my life just because I want to make a point. No, I like the multi-wash because, I mean, for $1,500, $1,600, you can go ahead and start cleaning hardwood floors. You can use it as a CRB. You can use it to clean hardwood floors as a standalone, or hard floors as a standalone, because you can put the solution in there. It drip feeds. Scrubs. A scrub's at 650 RPMs, I believe. Most CRBs only scrub at about 350. So that means you can move quicker. When I first bought this thing, I was actually looking for a CRB, and I was also looking for a hardwood floor cleaning machine, like they call it the Dirt Dragon by Custom Coating. Well, price tag was very high on both, and combined was going to be somewhere near $8,000. So I found this thing after doing a little bit of research and not finding much on it at all. I can guarantee you I've done more reviews on this thing since I started carpet cleaning and using this thing than it's ever been. And I see a lot of new people are picking them up. They're getting them, not for the fact that they're the greatest machine ever made. I mean, it's a decent machine. I've had it for over 2 years and never had one single problem with it. I take the hose out to it every day or every morning, squirt everything down. Never had a short or anything. But I've been, one of the main concerns on this thing was that the weight on this is supposed to be heavier than the CRB. Well, I'm not going to call out any name brands on the CRBs, but no, these are lighter. Okay, and you get wider, more coverage as far as scrubbing, especially when you have one of these things on here. I just bought a couple new ones because you can see I wore those ones out. These are new, so they're really great for towel and grout cleaning. I clean. Actually, I do the scrubbing action on the towel and grout jobs. I actually go ahead and use the spinner to rinse, but I am tempted to go ahead and try to clean with this thing. But anyway, you put these on there, and it gives you a whole lot more coverage. And plus, on filtration lines and stuff like that, you can go right against the wall there and get that scrub. Anyway, not too much about that right now. I gotta clean that up. A little embarrassing, but I've been pushing this thing around, okay, and lifting it up a lot. I just bought that. It's a dolly. It's a dolly for this thing. Actually, a guy called me up a couple weeks ago and asked me about the Powr-Flite, and I said, I like the machine. Yeah, once I start picking up on a lot more hardwood floor cleaning jobs, then I'll probably go ahead and I'm already eyeballing something that just got the vacuum and all that stuff, and it's at a great price. Courtney's got a new machine he's been using. It's kind of a Bona scrubber machine, and it's awesome. And when I'm looking at, it's about the same thing, but it's about almost $1,000 cheaper. So that's kind of how I found this thing. It's kind of researching and this and that. So anyway, this thing's awesome for about 80. If you get one of these things or already got one, and rolling them outside, these are really small wheels on the bottom of these things. So they're not good for going over too much big stuff, and even going over carpet is tough. But for, I think it was about 80 bucks. I got this thing because the guy who called me up had purchased it, and he cleans hardwood floors a lot, just a lot of work. And he was using it, and he told me, hey man, I need to get the dolly. And sure enough, I do, man. It's awesome. So it's just basically, you just lift it up. Here, let's see if I hope I can do this with one hand. I just took it off with one hand. Let's see. So you catch the lip there, line it up. You don't need to use this, but if you're gonna do some like upstairs and some toting around, put that on there. I'll lean it back. Yeah. We got a 4-wheel drive now. So no more issue about weight, even though it is lighter than most CRVs. You can clean hardwood floors with it. It's a multi-wash, so they pretty much made this thing so you can clean a standalone cleaner to clean, like if you're in a commercial building, do maintenance and cleaning the floors and stuff like that using this thing. So I'm liking it. Came in today. My dog likes it too, apparently. Probably smells all the dog hair this thing picks up. But Rowdy, I know you're starving for attention here. What? So yeah. So the multi-wash. The multi-wash, guys, is not my my religion. I'm not tied to it like that. When I'm ready to step it up and do a lot more hardwood floor clean, yeah, I'm gonna get the one with the vacuum, bigger solution tank, bigger recovery tank for stripping the wax off floors and stuff like that. And yeah, but for $1,500, guys, you have a standalone deal. I clean hardwood floors with this thing, and I charge just a neutral cleaning, 50 cents a square foot. Now, if I was to go ahead and do it intense cleaning, that means that I'd be doing this, and then I'd go back over it with I put the intense cleaner in here to get a real thorough clean with it, and then I go over it with the 175. But sometimes I do anyway, but that'd be close to $1 a square foot. So this is a standalone cleaner. Now tell me, how much money has your CLB made you on a standalone tool? Well, everybody uses it is just as a pre-agitation. Those things are actually made for cleaning carpet encapsulation. So that's a standalone for the CRBs. But these also have counter-rotating brushes. These people ought to pay me, for advertising. Anyway, yeah, right. A big old company like that. Anyway, so this is what I'm using right now for my CRV, clean hardwood floors, and scrubbing the towel, pre-scrubbing towel before I extract. And it's been about 2 years, and it's working awesome. Now my lady's really happy. You can push it around on the concrete with the little wheels, right? But once you get over stuff like this, it's not good. You can't slam into that stuff, You can't definitely not roll it up a stair or anything like that. So with this, you can actually pull it up the stairs, just like you would a portable or something. So that's it. Oops, my finger's all in the video. That's it for this one, man. That's all I was going to do for this. I'm just organizing, getting ready for the week. Just got back from Yosemite for the first time in my life. And man, my mind's all filtered out, man. Beautiful over there. A lot of time to put things in perspective. Yeah, and just get me motivated to step it up this year. Busy season's coming up, and I hope you guys are blessed, just like I will be. And we're gonna see you in the next one. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have one of these, if you like it or not. Even if you don't like it, what is it you don't like? you know. So we'll see you in the next one.